It's hard.
Your turn? Yes.
This question again from Babarhan, Turkey. He asked, could Huzur explain what the Islamic interpretation of destiny is? And does everyone have a destiny? Can it be changed at all?
This question requires a very long answer, which I have already given, and repeatedly so. These questions have been dealt with by me in longer sessions, and I have thrown light on every part of destiny and how it is divided into different categories. So everything is destined, of course, but the choice is a part of destiny. So at this time, it's not possible for me to repeat everything. Now otherwise, no time will be left for anybody else. So you find out the audios and videos from here and send them to him if he can understand English well. He can? Perfect. That's all right. We'll do it. Thank you. But not perfect. To say somebody knows the language perfectly is wrong.
Because he's born here. He has born here.
Even how many people are born in Turkey? Do they know Turkish perfectly?
Well,
in relation to language, the word perfect does not apply. Because even the best English-speaking people, the great professors and scholars, they continue to learn. Language can never be perfected except by God.